This is Path Divine, week 7 Java. This week's lab was to have Java read a file. So I used import java.io star to have access to the utilities and created a new file, which is this file right here. I know you used a poem, so I chose my own poem and put that in a text file and told Java that that's the file we wanted to be read. And these are the tools that we're using, the buffer reader and the file reader. We're telling Java that it's a string that it's going to be printing. So when I run it, it outputs Annabel Lee by Edgar Allan Poe. And that's it for this week.